welcome to my channel. This is my Valentine coffee bar. This is how I styled my cocoa bar for Valentine's Day. I just added a few items, some pink roses in a vase, this nice bronze cocoa bar banner over the sign that I made that says brew here, a couple of coffee mugs with pink hearts, and I made that container back there out of a plastic tubing that I had, and I just placed some roses and some heart picks inside, covered it with some marble contact paper, and this is my Lazy Susan that I have my cocoa, coffee, and tea on. Also some sugar and cinnamon and other spices at the bottom. And I thought those two little cups were so adorable. Starter fluid on one and hot stuff on the other. This cocoa bar is absolutely beautiful to me. It has mostly all the essential items you'll need to make a good cup of cocoa, coffee, or tea. I also have some apple cider packs that you can use if you like warm apple cider. Well, this is my Valentine cocoa bar for 2019. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Leave me a comment. Peace be upon you, and bye.